I use the XT60 connectors for powering auxiliary equipment on my motorcycle, like the sat-nav or charging a phone when I'm out camping. And because this one is permanently connected to 12 volts, the inside of it has become quite corroded. This has been on over winter for quite a few months, and I'm going to have a go at cleaning up the inside rather than simply replacing it. And I'm going to do that using a little cotton bud on the end of a drill, which fits up the snout, and some metal polish or auto sol if that's not completely washed out by the sun that's just come out. So let's see how it goes. Trying to do it one-handed, of course. And a squirt of WD-40 to get the polish out. And it's made no difference at all. Oh well, everything's worth a go once. So, despite it not working on the first attempt, I've used a few more cotton buds and a bit more auto sol, metal polish, and it's come up perfect now. I say the first go was not a perceivable difference, but now I've used about 3, maybe 4 cotton buds in each one. I say cotton buds made of cardboard, not plastic, just for the turtle lovers. I don't know if it's showing up, but the inside of there is now nice and shiny as it should be. So that's how you restore an XT60 connector.